Jerry Metalman Battaglia. I'm out here at Crystal River at this amazing car show in Florida. It's warm weather out. I know in New York it's around 22, but thank God I'm here in Crystal River. I'm here with my friend Larry with his 1955 Chevy. Beautiful car. And we want Larry to explain his car to us. So, Larry, where are you originally from?
I'm from Kentucky originally.
Okay. And you moved here to Florida, you said 40 years ago.
A lot, longer than that.
Good.
But a long time.
And you said because you love classic cars and you want to be in warmer weather, right? So you drive your classic cars around?
Yes.
So guys, we have a beautiful 55 here. Larry's going to show us, but we know this is in a stock 55. So why don't you tell us a little bit, how long have you had the car? What have you done to it? We'll open up the hood. We'll check out the interior as well. And so tell us about your car.
Well, I bought this car 25 years ago, and I bought it as a project. And after I retired, I started working on it. Did a frame-up restoration. And painted it, built the entire car in my garage by myself. No one else touched it, paint included.
So you painted this car yourself?
Yes.
So this guy's car, you guys see his paint. So let's do a walk around the car, check out this paint. This paint is like glass. You see this paint in person? And you have the white ivory on here, but what color is that as well?
This is mid-80s Corvette color. It's called Frost.
And what color is the blue?
The blue is actually a 32 Ford blue stock.
So we go on the front, so you have on the hood. You got something special under the hood here, guys. Check this out. The LS3 motor in there.
Yes,
How many horsepower is that pushing?
This is not a true LS3. This is a factory crate motor that they put in Corvettes. But this one has a cam in it, and it's 475 horse. Or excuse me, 480 horse. 475 foot-pounds of torque. And it's never been in another car.
And you installed this motor by yourself? You did all
Yes,
the
I did.
mechanical as well?
I did everything
guys,
on the car.
He literally built this car by himself, from putting the motor in, the transmission, doing all the body work, all the paint work. Larry did it all by himself. Check out the interior. Larry, how long was the build on this car?
5 years.
5 years.
Every day.
Labor of love, right?
Yes.
And you did everything.
Everything.
I like those gauges too.
Those are Dakota digital gauges. The seats are 05 and 06 GTO seats, 10-way power. The interior was built by Sidella in Arizona.
Okay.
After some back and forth with it, they sent it all to me in a box, and I installed it.
And I see you have Craigers on here.
Yes, I do.
You have Crager rims and tires. Yeah, what do you have tucked under there?
It's tub, 4 inches on each side.
So there's a mini tub under there.
Yeah. It's got a strange 9-inch, narrowed 9-inch Ford rear end in it.
Guys, the trunk is just as beautiful as the whole car itself.
And the tubs, the original was here. I used repair tubs and some sheet metal and made all this look like it's stock. Most people wouldn't know the difference.
Back up in there, one way in, right next to the turnpike now.
And what transmission do you have?
It's a 4L70E Supermatic, which is sort of a special transmission. You tune it with a laptop, and then you can set the shift points, and then you have 2 of them. So I put a switch in there. I have actually 2 different transmissions by flipping the switch.
It's amazing, guys. So this car is absolutely beautiful. It's another beautiful Tri-5. So, guys, Jerry Middleman Battaglia. Just wanted to thank my friend Larry here for showing us this beautiful 55 out here in Crystal River, Florida. So thank you so much for showing us your
Thank
car.
you. Thank you. Appreciate
Have a great
it.
day.